Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, August 28, 2023. Today's video is about Treptowers. The Treptowers is a complex of buildings with a distinctive high-rise in the district of Alt-Treptow in Berlin, Germany, on the River Spree. Constructed on the site of a former EIG electrical-appliance factory, the complex consists of 4 buildings and was the result of an architectural competition held in 1993 and won by the architect Gerhard Spangenberg. It was completed in 1998, with a final construction cost of 190 million marks. The 30-meter-tall, 98-feet, sculpture Molecule Men by Jonathan Borofsky was installed in 1999 and sits in front of the complex in the Spree, seen on the right of this photograph of the Treptowers in 2017. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.